Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I own the blog Nomad Moda. Today I am going to be tie-dyeing a sweatsuit. So I saw this trend on Instagram and TikTok where you can bleach tie-dye a sweatsuit or t-shirt, and I wanted to give it a go because I think it's a really cool look. So I bought this sweatsuit from Amazon. It is a Hanes sweatshirt. It has this nice little V stitching here. Pretty basic, just black. The pants match. And so I have the bleach, I have rubber bands, and I'm gonna do this in my bathtub, and we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay guys, so I don't have a spray bottle, but what I do have is this Trader Joe's dish soap bottle that I'm gonna use and fill it half up with water and then half up with bleach, so a 1-to-1 ratio. This is the bottle that I'm using. I just ran out of dish soap, so I feel like this is good. You could use a water bottle and cut like a little hole in the top, or use a spray bottle if you have one. This bottle has a very small top, so I think this will work. So half full with water, and then I'm going to add the bleach. Okay, I would also definitely recommend using gloves for this. So I've added the bleach into this dish soap bottle, so you can see it's a little bit yellow. There's half water, half bleach, a 1-to-1 ratio. You can make kind of whatever pattern you want with this. So if you want the traditional tie-dye pattern, you can twist like so and put the rubber bands around. But I don't think I want that for these pants or for the top. So what I'm gonna do is just sort of scrunch it. Okay, so now I have these all scrunched up and rubber banded. Is that a word? I don't even know. So these are the pants, and this is the sweatshirt, and I actually found some gloves, which is gonna be super helpful for this next process for adding the bleach. Okay, so now that these are both soaked in bleach, I'm gonna just let them sit here for about 2 hours, and you can see that the dye is already coming out of the cloth. So we'll be back in about an hour or two. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna take off all the rubber bands and then rinse everything out. Okay, so now I'm just rinsing it out, and then I'm gonna put it in the wash. Okay, threw that in there, getting the laundry started. Okay guys, so I washed this in the washing machine last night, and I dried it as well in the dryer, and this is how it turned out. And I'm really happy with it. At first I thought that maybe there wasn't gonna be enough like variation in the color, but I think it turned out really well. And then obviously, like, the longer that you let it sit with the bleach, the more that the dye fades. So in some places there's really like no dye left, and then in other places I added a little bit more bleach at the end, and it sat for less time, so there's a little bit more color there still. Let me show you the pants. So here are the pants. This is how they turned out. I think that the pants turned out really nicely as well. These are just really simple sweatpants, kind of scrunched at the end. So I'm gonna try these on for you so you can see what they look like on. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like on. It's super comfy. I love the way it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. Here are the pants. And let me show you the back as well. So here's the back. So there's definitely still some black parts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on how to bleach tie-dye. I hope you really liked the video and it helps you for your own DIY. And I'll link everything that I used below so that you can easily find it in case you want to recreate it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you next week.